Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you Shopify products not showing up in collection tab. If your Shopify products are not showing up in the collections page, here are some common reasons and solutions. Check if products are probably added the collection. Okay, first of all, you need to log into your Shopify admin panel, then select your email, then enter your password and log in. After that, it's loading. Wait a minute for loading. Now, go to your Shopify admin panel, then products, then collections. Click on the collection where uh, products are missing. Scroll down to conditions. If it's an automated collection, make sure the product matches the rule, like tag, price, vendor. If it's manual collection, confirm that the product is manually added. Ensure products are set to active and available. Go to products. Then all products, click the missing product and check product status. Set it to active. Scroll down to sales channels and apps and make sure it is available on online store. Go to online store. Then navigation. Click click on main menu or footer menu. Ensure your collection is linked correctly. Check product visibility and tags. Some themes filter collections based on tags. Ensure your products have the necessary tags. Go to products. Then click products, scroll down tag, scroll to tags, add the required tag, like if the collection filter by summer, add summer as a tag. Press Ctrl Shift R. Or CMD Shift R on Mac to force refresh. Try opening the store in incognito mode from here. Check if your theme is filtering products. Go to online store, then themes, then again click on customize button. Open the collection pages and check for any product filtering options. If your theme has built-in filters, adjust them to display all products. Now sync inventory and check stock availability. If a product is out of stock, Shopify may hide it depending on your settings. Now for this, go to products, then click products and then inventory and ensure it is in stock. Check for Shopify apps causing conflicts. If you use an app for product filtering, collection management, or SEO, it might be blocking products temporarily. Disable apps and check if products appear. Now publish collection if it's a draft. If you created a collection but didn't publish it, I won't show up. It won't show up. Go to collections, then click collection and change the status to um, active. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.